Good afternoon, all the users of YouTube. Well, here's me unboxing the Battle Chest and Mist of Pandaria and Cataclysm for World of Warcraft. And here's the Battle Chest. So, for all three games I paid not more than 279 kroner at the local platekompaniet here where I live. So everything you need to begin the adventure. Haha. Okie doke. So well, it says here just how easy it is to begin your epic quest online. Create, connect and engage. Well, I've been trying the trial version of the game on Blizzard, so I've seen the game been played and tried a little bit myself too. It was a good game. I like these kind of games, you know, like with adventure and magical stuff and all that. It's right up my alley. I have bought the Skyrim game with the game guide, as you can see over there. And well, here's the Cataclysm. I like the dragons. That's mostly why I bought the Skyrim game. And here's Mist of Pandaria. Well, the unboxing itself. Oh man, I'm getting old here. Sorry for the shaking and the reflecting lights and all. So, put aside a little bit here. Well, here's the Battle Chest. Ta-da! See here. Ominous looking, you know. And by the way, you know, the Wrath of Lich King over there, the sword. I saw the actual sword. I was in Sweden not long ago, and they had for sale the sword Frostmourne. That was a pretty awesome sword. Little too expensive for me, 2,400 Swedish kroner. It was, but yet again, maybe you'll see me unbox that one too. I wouldn't be surprised if I did. Well, here is what it contains. The game disc 1, the 2, quick start guide, and some Norwegian looking creatures, an ogre. Ominous looking guy, and a pretty good looking boar too. That's something you want to meet up a dark alleyway maybe. But well, here's a little bit to sink my teeth into. Adventures and adventures. I like it. Good. Well, that's that. So, sorry for saying so much. A farting box. So, and here's the Cataclysm. See what kind of slogans there's in here. There can be no peace when the world is devoured by rage. Philosophical, but yet again, pretty true. So, that's the game. cover. So, let's see what's inside. Well, there's the Cataclysm game disc. So, we'll see how things goes. That's that one. And Mists of Pandaria. I really like the panda. It's cool. So, see what kind of fun stuff you can do with that. The question isn't why we fight, but what's worth fighting for. Well, peace, flowers, and endless Christmases. That's what's worth fighting for. And summer vacations. The weather here in Norway has been pretty cold last couple of months. The winter started early here, with snow and all. But what's Christmas without snow? And it's pretty good with snow too, you know. Everything is covered, and in springtime, well, everything starts to grow again, and the new smells, and that's pretty sweet stuff. And the 17th of May, our national day in the spring, that's pretty awesome too, with the king and the queen and all that in Oslo. Well, enough about documentary. Mists of Pandaria. Maybe that's worth fighting for. The Mists of Pandaria. This CD cover was kind of tough. Luck on it was. See what's inside here. Well, game disc 1. Seems like it's 2 discs here. Yes. And game disc 2. Yeah, sweet. So, if you see me out there, please go easy on me the first times. Better get better at it. Slowly but surely. I've been playing games for the last 12-15 years now. Most Xbox games. Xbox 360. So PC gaming is kind of new for me. So it's going to be exciting to try it. See how it is. So guys, that was that. An unboxing of the Battle Chest, Mist of Pandaria, and Cataclysm. And if you were watching the entire movie, thank you. And I'll be seeing you out there in the adventures. Bye bye.